Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find all of your favorite photos and videos in the picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then on the home screen or in the app screen, open up the gallery app. And in here, you want to tap on the menu key at the bottom and then tap on favorites. In the favorites album, you will be able to find all your photos and favorite videos. Well, if I tap on this menu here, you can see it gives you the option to edit, add your home screen, create, or start a slideshow. So if I tap on add to home screen, it say here add to home screen favorite, and then tap on add. So you can even add your favorite albums to the home screen, which helps you to quickly locate all your favorite photos. So if you tap on that, it will just take you directly to your favorites folder. And that's it. So that's how you can find it. If you want to favorite a photo or videos, you just open it. And then once it is open, tap on the favorite button here or the heart icon, and that will add the picture to your favorite folder. So in here, I'm going to open up favorites, and you can see one more picture has been added to the favorites album. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.